Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. Wow, this tree must be a distant relative of the sea god Poseidon. Just one cut created a tsunami that swept the man away.
Mark, pull! He needs to put more tension on it, it'll come over. Oh, shit. God.
Oh no, the branch fell on my head, and I didn't have time to say anything. Probably wondering, am I cutting down the tree or is the tree teaching me a lesson about work safety? This is definitely a free fireworks display that no one wants to see too close. Before falling, the tree had time to leave its mark. This slap was officially recorded in the Sawyer's painful history.
That's awesome!
This tree not only fell, but also rolled around a few times before going to bathe in the lake. This is truly a precious wood. Even when it falls, it must be very majestic. Uh-oh, the tree must be thinking, falling is a small matter, but you have to choose a classy place to stop. Oh my God, the tree refused to give in when he sawed it down, giving him a punch that made him slide down the ladder like in an action movie. Not only did the branch almost break, but he also broke his body.
Oh my God.
The tree made a landing as if to prove the law of gravity was real, but the result was a fallen sign, a dancing electric wire, and a heart-stopping scene in the whole neighborhood. A good friendship is about standing strong together, but this friendship is a bit strange. I think I'll have to reconsider the concept of good friend after this.
Oh, it's moving! It's going to
Oh no, the tree chose the roof as its landing spot, but no one expected that this landing would cause the homeowner to lose a month's salary. It's true that when the tree falls, the money also falls with it. What a crazy idea. Sawing off the branch he was sitting on, then landing dramatically on a pile of crates. This guy turned it into a stunt. The tree's fall not only shook the garden, but also sealed a roof repair project for the homeowner. Wow, lying horizontally on the roof, the tree seems to say, I am an architect. Help you make a new roof.
Oops.
The loud bang sound made the homeowner startled. I wonder how much damage is done. Uh-oh, the guy must have thought he was Superman. Unexpectedly, the tree fell, and he also fell freely. This lesson will surely be remembered for life. Landing without permission, the roof became the unwilling victim of this sudden fall.
Yes!
The battle between the tree and the car ended unexpectedly. The car's windshield was painfully gone. Wow, what a great move! The worker jumped to the ground safely, leaving the fallen tree behind. Looking at this scene, I thought I was watching a Hollywood action movie.
Here comes the car. Look.
Oh my God! The tree not only fell, but also left a mark of impact that made the worker hug the ground in pain. Oh no, the worker probably didn't think the branch would choose the pool as a landing spot. Hopefully he'll clean it up quickly. Who would have thought that the tree-pulling battle would turn into a tree stump show? The car was lifted up like a toy, and the car owner could only sigh. Falling straight onto the roof, the tree turned a peaceful place into an unwilling renovation project. Uh-oh, the rope broke, the tree didn't budge, and the guy rolled around like a ball. Next time, they will definitely choose a stronger rope, not their tire midway kind. Wow, the guy was working hard when the tree branch gave him a love bite. He fell backwards and could only hold his painful back.
Comes. Here it comes. Ooh.
The innocent chair suddenly became a victim when the tree fell on it. Looking at the devastation, the homeowner could only mumble, "The chair broke and my heart broke too." Oh my God, everything was literally shattered. The tree fall turned the house into rubble. The battle between the stubborn tree and the confident car had an unexpected ending. The car's windshield was heroically sacrificed. This battle not only lost the windshield, but also lost a month's salary.
Please use float the other way.
The tree landed in the swimming pool with a loud boom sound. Looking at the water overflowing the bank, the homeowner just sighed, "What a swimming pool that has now become a disaster pool." If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.